Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been months, and I know I said that I was going to be consistent. I lied. Yeah, so what are you going to do? But I'm here now. I'm back with another video for you guys. Thanks for everybody who actually, reaches out to me and asks me to upload video tutorials and still asks me to upload video tutorials even though I constantly let you all down. But I just, sometimes I get in my moods where I just don't want to have anything to do with recording, setting up, and things like that. And I know I have to get better at it, but it is what it is. I have to recognize when I want to just chill. But today I figured I would sort of walk you all through a skincare routine that I have been applying right now. Lately, I feel like I have just been eating so poorly, and it's okay. I get it. Like, we all have those moments where we just want to eat junk food, and lately that's been me. Um, but one thing I've noticed is that when I eat a lot of sweets and chocolates and things like that, and which is what I've been eating, it really does show up on my skin. And that's really what I've been trying to work with is improving my diet, um, but you know, being okay when I slip up. Like yesterday, and I'm also on my period, by the way, so I'm just like eating sweets all the time. But I had a bunch of chocolate yesterday, and it's clearly visible on my skin. I have T-zone oiliness, and I think I've said that before on one of my videos. But I have T-zone oiliness, and typically my breakouts happen in my T-zone, especially on my cheeks, which is where I've been having most of the breakouts and the hyperpigmentation. So I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about what my process is when I do go through these periods of time, when I'm eating poorly, and just how I treat my skin. Um, but yeah, no judgments. I think for the most part, people, especially me, I'm like all about my skin and skincare and just like my skin being flawless. And we forget that sometimes we slip up and sometimes, it's not going to look its best. But it's really about being consistent and really treating it and also recognizing the triggers that make you break out so that you can fix yourself, right? Like it's okay. Like recognize when you're not really treating your body right, right? So, yeah, I say that as I drink coffee. It's actually a mocha with chocolate almond milk. Such a hypocrite. But it's okay, like it is what it is. um, I need some lip balm. My lips are super dry. But I do drink water. Let me go grab it. I actually constantly try to drink water. That's one thing I always do is stay hydrated. So, um, I'm also going to do my hair removal process today. This is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Oops, we're not sleeping. We're wide awake. But we're going to use it anyway because my lips are super dry right now. It's nice and thick. Um, so I'm going to do that today too. I'm going to kind of like trim my brows, which they need the trimming, and take this stash off. But so yeah, so the first thing that I've been doing is, this is almost done, but I already restocked, is I use my Clinique Acne Clarifying Lotion. I'm actually a huge fan of the Clinique Acne Solution sets. I feel like it works as long as you stick to the regimen. This was actually very swollen and irritated, this section here, and it's already dried up. This actually came out yesterday. I was eating chocolate and it literally grew overnight. So, and my acne tends to be hyperpigmented when it comes out. It's a few shades darker than my skin tone. So that's usually the hardest part, is to get rid of the hyperpigmentation. But I typically use this clarifying lotion. I think this is the step 2. The step 1 is the wash. I already washed my face with the face wash, the acne face wash. Another product that I've been using to wash my skin in between is and I don't have it here because it's in my bathroom. Both of the products are in my bathroom. Kandaka Safia, actually, I love this skincare brand. They actually have a, um, a cleansing wash, and it's really good too. So I just spot treat. I don't put this all over my face because it can be drying if you use too much all over. So if you notice, I'm just really using it in the areas where I've had some breakouts. You can also use this on your, like if you have acne or anything like that. I have had a breakout back here, so I'm gonna use it here. It's typically when I have like hair products and I have my hair out and I sleep with it out, it like all the oils get into my neck. And then around here too, but luckily it didn't get in there. But yeah, so I just use that everywhere. And yeah, so I do that. And then I take the Acne Solution Step 3 oil-free lotion, and I only put that, again, I only put that in the areas where there are acne. So I put that there. And I don't know, like, it's been hard for me to stop eating junk food. I don't know what it is. Usually I'm really good. But I've just been on this like binge and it's really, really not good for my skin. Who are those people back there? There's two guys behind my neighbor's lawn. Okay, so just tap that in. It's nice and in my skin. And then what I do is I add a little bit of the Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. I really love this stuff. I really do feel like it does help to clarify the skin. And it's not a skin lightener. It just helps to balance out the hyperpigmentation. And honestly, I feel like it does help to treat that area without lightening the skin. I don't know how they do it. I don't know what the science is, but it literally only brightens the areas that need it. And I put this all over. It's really nice and light. Just press that into the skin. I typically, when I have time, if I'm rushing out the door for work or something, I'm like, dry up. But I like to let it to sit in the skin. And then I take the Forever Young Serum, which I love. Oh my God, I'm almost done again. This is like my favorite serum. Just put that all over. Oh, it feels so good. And then I'm out of an eye cream, so I bought this Clearly Corrective solution. It was in a kit at Sephora, and it was like the full size, and it came with a Kiehl's essence, which I do like. I really do like it. I have been using it sparingly here and there, which feels really nice. It does feel pretty hydrating on the skin, so I've been using that here and there. Not as much though. But it also came with an eye cream, and it was like the vitamin C eye cream they have. I wasn't a fan. It was just not like one of my favorites. I think so far one of my favorites are for eye creams are obviously Drunk Elephant. I do like the vitamin C one they have. The clear, I think it's called like Clearly C. I think I like that one better than I like the one with the baby blue top. But I noticed that I feel like it makes my under eye get like little skin tags. I think there's just like too much vitamin C in it for me. So it did cause me to get skin tags under here. I'm gonna try it again because I'm like, is it me or am I crazy? But I feel like it caused skin tags. And I think I read somewhere when I was looking it up and I was like, you know, can vitamin C cause skin tags on the skin? I think it said it can. I could be wrong. I don't want to like dog Drunk Elephant because I love their products. And like I said, I love their vitamin C under eye cream. It's just, I don't know if it's just super thick for that skin area. But yeah, nonetheless, I am going to use this. It's supposed to be a face cream, a squalene omega repair cream. It's going to go under my eyes. And I actually really like the Biosense. I tried these. This was like from a little travel size kit. And I really like their under eye cream too. It was really nice. So I think that I did. This also stinks, by the way. This squalene stuff. Ugh, all of the squalene stuff stinks. There's just disgusting. But the other eye cream that I used that I really, really liked was from Belief. So good. So good. So Belief, I think Drunk Elephant. I'm trying to think what else. There's another eye cream I really like and I just can't think of it. Oh, this Biosense. Yeah. I'm looking at myself in the mirror right behind this camera, trying to make sure I'm like centered and stuff. But yeah, so this has been my skincare final step for this. And typically, I don't know why I didn't shave my mustache before this, because typically when I'm doing my hair removal process, I shave my mustache first. So actually, before I put this on, I want to shave my mustache for you all. And I've already used this product before. I really have. I've used this product and it's not a product. I've used this tool. I've used this tool before and I really love it. Ugh. Yeah. This is the Venus, whatever it's called, but I like it because it buffs the hair off of the face. It really, like, it hurts, obviously. Honestly, I don't think that there's any, other than, no, because if you wax, I don't think there's any painless hair removal thing that I can think of. Shaving, but I've tried shaving and it literally makes my everything break out here. And literally, like, I've had breakouts like right in here where it looks like I have some type of disease and I'm like, oh heck no. Because the hairs get ingrown, and I found that this tool really keeps my skin from, you know, breaking out. It doesn't cause it to dry out, because I have used those like creams. When I was younger, my mom used to use this like lip cream on top of her lip and it stunk so bad, but she used to always walk around with her little upper lip hair removal cream. And I don't know, that stuff burns me. like it literally burns my skin. I tried using it, you know, and I was like, how did she use this? Like, how did she not get burned? But yeah, my skin is super sensitive in this area. So I've loved this product. Sometimes my hair is a little thick and it doesn't pull it out all the way. So I just tweeze whatever areas, like whatever hair doesn't come out, if it's too thick or whatever, I just pull it out. Oh, there's a lot of hair there. And to clean it out, it comes with like this little hairbrush. It's right here somewhere. You can just like brush out the hairs that are in there. It takes everything out. I'm just gonna blow it out because it's mine. But okay, that's enough. Nobody's gonna be looking that hard. And if they are, what the heck. Next, I'm going to sort of just brush through my brows. And y'all have probably seen me do this before. Just kind of groom. I pretty much just groom my brows. I'll link my brow tutorial here so that you can see the whole thing, because I actually won't be doing too much today. I'm just kind of letting it be thick like me. I'm not thick, I'm just talking shit. And then I'll basically pluck around. For the most part, I feel like if you comb your hair, like if you have thick brows and you just like comb your hair down like this, that is half of it, like just grooming them, you know? if you want thick brows. I've noticed that the young girls, like my niece's age now, I guess they're around her age, they want to be like, they want to sort of imitate the style that I guess we had when we were younger, um, with the thin brows. Like, I'm just like, girl, y'all don't need to do that. Don't do that to yourself. You're gonna be really mad at yourself in 10 years when you can't grow your brows out. It's so funny to watch, but I'm like, you know what, do you, sis? We kind of did it for, you know, so that you all wouldn't have to, but I guess if you want to explore and imitate it for yourself, do it. But yeah, it's like the Pam Anderson brow is like, you know, back in. All right. Let me go heat up my coffee. I'm BRB. I'm going to have to cut out this part. I'm back. What if this wasn't recording the entire time? Oh, it's recording. I think. It's recording. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, so, okay, so I went, heated up my coffee. I grabbed my straw too because I was like, maybe if I drink with my straw, I'll drink it faster. Who knows? I don't even remember where I was. Oh yeah, brows. So yeah, so I think it's cute, you know. I feel like styles always come back in and we always trying to imitate the generations before us, but I just think it's so funny. Because brows are very hard to grow out when you lose them all, right? So I'm going to just kind of pluck through. I'm gonna just get rid of this unibrow. Sorry, y'all. So I'm really excited because I'm actually taking a trip to Vegas. It's my first time going to Vegas. Me and my best friend are gonna go see Silk Sonic. I'm a Bruno Mars fan, I think. I would like to call myself a Bruno Mars fan. I don't think I'm his biggest fan, but I think it's just a good trip to have. I haven't been on a trip in, well, I went to Florida for the holidays, but I don't think like I've taken like a. So I'm so pissed because I jinxed myself. And the last time I stepped away from the camera, I was like, well, that'd be funny if it wasn't recording. Well, it stopped recording. The camera stopped recording. The last thing you all saw was when I was tweezing my brows. I had a whole other explanation of me, you know, what I used to clear out my nose hairs, which I'm going to put them in. But just FYI, I wanted to let you all know this is what I use to go in and clean my nose hairs, and it really does work. Also, I use alcohol to clean all of those things. Make sure you're cleaning all of your products. I'm sorry, all of your tools, your products too, but yeah, that's what I use. And then I was talking about after I finished with all of my hair removal, I was talking about the Sugar Goop SPF that I use. I prefer it over the other SPFs that I use that from Sephora, and I'm really mad because there was an SPF that I was using by Neutrogena, and I don't think they make it anymore. And I tried to hit them up on Instagram to see what was going on with the product. They never answered me, but that was the clearly visible, I think, or clearly even dark spot. I think it had like helioplex in it. So I tried the Drunk Elephant SPF and I didn't really like it because of how it felt on my skin. So this is what I've been using. Like I was saying earlier, this one's almost out, but I have another one I just restocked. But I feel like it leaves a good glow on my skin tone, but I don't know what it would look like on a lighter skin tone or a deeper skin tone. So definitely try it out and see before you buy it to see if it leaves like a white cast or maybe looks too like yellow if you have a lighter skin tone. But yeah, y'all, I'm really excited about my next video. I'm about to film another video and hopefully it doesn't cut out, but that's going to be on what I'm taking on my trip for Vegas. Woohoo! All right, see y'all later. Bye.